Yeah, the one of.
Okay. Okay, so now I'm still eating my butter sandwich, but we're gonna do one of Haven, so walk forward.
Yeah, I can see Kenzie, that's it.
Okay. Sit down in a chair.
Okay.
Okay.
Like
Now,
straight.
that bologna,
Yeah.
I'm not gonna use that.
Like I said.
I know. It's not. It's just odd. It's very odd. No, it's not. It's not gonna be gross. Really?
Wait.
Don't look at me. Alright, whenever you walk out, don't look at the table because it's on the table. Did that to me. Okay, now sit right here. This way so I can get the camera over here without you touching it. Okay. Stop touching my leg.
Oh God, I'm afraid.
Alright, you're gonna eat it just like this. I'm gonna have to stick it in your mouth, okay?
Why?
Because it's hard to hold.
I want to hold it.
No, what?
What was that? Ew, I don't want to eat it. It's gross, I can already tell.
No, it's not. It's not. I eat it all the time. It's not gross. Just open your mouth. I did it for yours. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Open your mouth.
Ew, what is that?
You don't like it? Okay, now
No,
open
what
your
is
mouth.
it?
Open your mouth wide.
No.
Yes, it's just one last piece. I know you like these because we ate them all last night.
Oh.
And last bite. Open your mouth. It's the same thing you just ate. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. It's bologna soaked in sweet tea with a with a chocolate like Hershey on top. Yeah. Was it gross?
Nope.
Alright, you wanna see how I made it?